right, let's do some camping. So it is raining, and we have deployed the awning. And now
we're relighting a fire.
Relighting a fire. We're getting the Solo Stove going underneath the awning, and we'll monitor it so it doesn't get too high. John had a nice fire over there going until
I got one going on my fingers.
Until it started raining. I have a longer like a grill lighter if you need it.
Oh yeah, that might be.
There you go. That's supposed to burn for 13 minutes. There you go. All right, we got the Solo Stove going, cranking out some good fire here, and it is under my awning. The awning is fine. There's no danger to it. The flame doesn't get up high enough, and we're checking it periodically. So we're starting out this trip kind of like we did a couple of trips ago with rain, and it's scattered. It should stop here in about an hour, but I am glad to have this awning, that's for sure. It beats putting up a tent, or a tarp, I mean. Okay, in the truck, decided to turn in at about 10 o'clock because it's still raining. Having flashbacks from my last trip. So it's supposed to stop at about 4 in the morning, and we'll be getting up to make breakfast in the morning. So turning in. Y'all have a good night. We'll see you in the morning. Ooh, look who forgot to open up a window. Some serious condensation. Let's see what. Oh, that ain't bad at all. It's about 7 o'clock. Time to get up. Well, we got the beginning of a breakfast fire. We still got a while before sunrise. As you can see, the moon's up there. All right, John is dousing the fire. We are leaving no trace. Got everything packed up, got the awning back up. And we're gonna hit the trail. Ready to go?
Yep.
Okay. And just like that, we are on the trail. And we're gonna head out to Pine Grove on the way to the stone cabin ruins. Been there before, beautiful spot. It's we're gonna show you when we get there. We made it to camp. Wasn't a very long walk. I'd say it's probably, actually I think it's probably a mile. Would you say, John?
Yeah, that's about right.
About a mile. But we are at the Pine Groves campsite on the way to the stone cabin ruins. Any of you who know the Deam, you'll know exactly where we are. We are next to a water source, and just a beautiful, beautiful spot. Been here before. but this is one of my favorite spots. John's got his Alps mountaineering as usual. And this go around I brought my duplex with the poles. And I'm not finished setting it up. It looks awful. But tonight I'm going to be, so I got the piece of Tyvek there. I've got another tarp on the inside. I've got a Z-Light. And then I've got a Nemo Cosmo insulated pad and a 0-degree bag and a Costco quilt. It's supposed to get down to 24 tonight. I should be fine though. Yeah, just a fantastic campsite. I love these pines. So we actually got a good supply of firewood here. It was leaning on another tree, and it was dead at the bottom. So we got enough for tonight, I think. Yeah, we're just gonna sit here and chill until it's time to eat. That's what you do, right?
That's right.
You sit, you eat, and you get firewood. Go to bed, repeat. All right, more later, guys. Well, we've had a pretty good time, I'd say. We've been sitting in front of this fire all day, and we had a couple of meals. We had lunch, we had dinner. Lots of good campfire conversations. I took a nap. John fell asleep in the chair. It was great. Did you have fun so far?
I've had a great time.
Good.
It's been a great time.
Good. So what we're going to do tomorrow morning is I think we're just going to have coffee and then we're going to pack up and head out. But wonderful trip. I love these combo trips, truck camping one night and backpacking the next night, because you really do get the best of both worlds. And so, all right, we will see you in the morning for coffee and our trip out. All right, good morning. We got a breakfast fire going. Get my coffee going, and it's going to be a beautiful day. I'm going to pack up in a little bit, get back out on the trail. It was a cold night. Were you cold?
No.
Your feet were cold, you said.
Yeah, my feet were cold.
Anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a view before the sun came up. And we'll film a little bit more in a little bit. Okay, we're all packed up. Leaving no trace. Fire's out. And we're getting ready to hit the trail. We actually got some sunshine this morning, and that's exciting. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. Which way do we go? Oh, that way.
We gotta go across and then that way, right?
Yeah.